What's your favorite fruit? Did you know that banana are among the most widely consumed fruit in the world? Banana are healthiest, tastiest and least expensive fresh fruit. Banana are a fantastic option for anyone who wants to eat healthy despite being native to Southeast Asia. They are widely available since they grow anywhere. In today's video, we will be explore many of the nutritional advantages of bananas, including their high fiber and potassium content, which both assist in hydration. Let's start. Bananas help you lose weight. That's why pretty straightforward was not it. While they actually are not a direct contributor, banana can help to weight loss process due to a number of nutrients carrying around 105 calories. Banana are an excellent source of fiber, around 3.1 grams to be exact, an estimated 12% of your daily intake. It is recommended that the average female has 20 mg of fiber a day, while the average male has 26. Studies have shown that there is a correlation between high fiber diets and shedding pounds. Here's how it works. Because fiber takes longer to digest, you stay full for a longer period. This will reduce the amount of calories you eat within a day. Bananas also contain vitamin B6, which can help prevent type 2 diabetes. Banana can help clean your gut. You know how your gut has a microbiome consisting of bacteria that help you break down food. Well, bananas assist that bacteria. Green banana is particularly that's right. Those unripe, fighting looking these people have told you never to eat actually have some benefits. As it turned out, green banana carry a certain type of starch that does not fully break down in the lower intestine. The starch will instead pass through the large intestine, creating clean gut bacteria. This in turn helps your body better digest your food. Bananas improve mood. Bananas can have a remarkable impact on one's mood owing to their rich nutritional composition. One of the key components contributing to their mood enhanced properties is their high levels of tryptophan and amino acid that the body converts into serotonin, the neurotransmitter responsible for regulating mood and emotions. By increasing serotonin levels, bananas can potently alleviate feeling of anxiety and depression, promoting an overall sense of well-being and relaxation. Heart health. Potassium content in banana is essential for maintaining heart health, particularly for controlling blood pressure. Few individuals get enough potassium in their diets. Despite its significance, a medium-sized banana 126 gram provides 10% of potassium's daily value. You can lower your blood pressure by eating a diet high in potassium. Additionally, bananas have 8% of the daily value for magnesium. For heart health, a lack of magnesium may increase the risk of heart disease, rise blood pressure and increase fat blood levels. You must consume enough of the mineral through food. Diabetes. As you know that bananas are rich in fiber. Eating bananas and other fruits that consuming fiber can help blood sugar levels decline. A study also suggests that a high fiber diet may lower blood sugar levels in these with type 2 diabetes and lower the risk of developing the condition. Many studies suggest that regularly consuming resistance starch such as that found in unripe banana may increase your body's sensitivity to the hormone that regulates blood sugar. Renal health. An excellent source of potassium which may be especially beneficial for supporting healthy kidney function. A study suggests that potassium is essential for maintaining good kidney function and controlling blood pressure. It also shows a relationship between potassium and lower blood pressure, lower course of renal disease in over 5,000 individuals with easily staged chronic kidney disease. However, some individuals with advanced kidney disease or those undergoing dialysis need to limit their potassium consumption. Before you boost your potassium consumption, ask your family physician for a checkup to be sure. Complete food. Banana included in your diet as a complete food. Not only are banana wonderfully healthy, but they are also one of the most particular snack food available. Banana are a more filling snack than other food like processed or sugary box snacks. They are an excellent topping for whole grain toast with peanut butter and yogurt cereals and smoothies. Even better, you can substitute them for sugar. When baking and cooking, bananas are also quite simple to transport and eat. They typically digest smoothly and are well tolerated. All you have to do to prepare them is peel them. So all in all, the banana is a common fruit with numerous possible health benefits because of their fiber and antioxidant content. They may improve your digestion and your heart health. They are nutrient rich and low in calories. They may aid in weight loss. Are you adding bananas to your breakfast? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe Fruits and Veggies.